Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I'm out here early in the morning before I go to work, trying to get a quick morning fix in. It's very windy out here, a lot of leaves out here, and kind of chilly. But I figured I had to get my little flight. Shout out to my boy Chuck. He sent me a care package which included these little batteries here from Tattu, little 800 milliamp hour 25C JST connection packs here, 1S. And so I'm going to be flying my MJX X400. So let's get this in the air. Chuck knows what it is with this one. So let's get it in the air. This one should be able to fight this wind. And I banged out, fighting the wind there. Didn't bang out too hard though. Let's get it in the air. Oh, okay. Maybe the lights just don't turn on. I must have the light switched off. Let me see if I can switch them on. Yes, I switched the lights on just now. So I was thinking that it was off because I didn't see any lights. Got to be careful with this. The pitch is extreme. Very strong pitch on this one. Oh, and we hit a branch and kept on going. Hard to see how far you are away from these things sometimes. The trees, that is. Right into the sun. This quad is awesome dive bombing. See if I can get one of those after this manual flip. Oh, no manual flip jumping off with this one. Dive bomb. I think I got flips set up. Let me see. Yes, I do. So let's see if we can get maybe a loop. Way up there with it. Let me do some deep funnel so I can come down. Or maybe just dive. There we go. Try to do a loop when moving forward. It kind of doesn't work that well. Sheesh, it's getting very windy out here. One more dive for the road. Uh-oh. There's some trees up there. Let's try to flip. Oh, it's not gonna flip anymore. It's flashing on me. Let's dive bomb it down. MJX X400. Thanks for watching.